still mostly in it. Oh my god. Anyone in there?
What's up?
Is you?
Yeah.
I guess you just stop in the middle of the road?
Well, if you got a parking spot for me, I'm just trying to pick up.
That's
Dude,
your.
you can go around.
That's your responsibility. There's space right there. I saw spaces up here.
That's an alleyway.
Did you even
You can go
try?
away.
Did you even try? The instant defensiveness says a lot. Vroom vroom. Car, where are you going? They have a red light. I just swatted at it. Oh, now you use your turn signal. Actually, wait, I do want to go straight here. Never mind. Little Space Needle. Oh! What are you doing? Yield, how does that work? Oh, cool. There's police park on the sidewalk. Very good. Good job, cop. It's cutting off pedestrians. Police cutting pedestrians off. Very good. Oh my God.
Surprising what a lick of paint will do, isn't it?
Is there anyone in here? Yes, there is. Move. You're good. Keep going. Keep going.
Go around.
Why?
I'm waiting.
So? This is the road. This is the road. This is parking. There's a spot over there. Why? So? I appreciate that you're asking nicely, but that doesn't make this okay. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Wow. Police actually did something. Wow. That's incredible. All because I stood my ground. I wasn't going berserk on them. I asked them nice. Oh, there's, look. Speak of the devil. Here's an empty one. Let's see. You parked like an idiot. Double parking? Why can't you find parking, you lazy fucker? Enjoy that. Yep, yep. Go. Hey, look, there's space right there. You can pull over right there. Whoa! What was that? Street. What the fuck? Unbelievable. Is that a regular thing for you? You just turn without looking. Use your eyes, okay? Scooters go in the street, not the sidewalk. Wow, this is some great parking. Empty yep. What if those other people need to get out? Screw them, I guess. Man, if only there was a place to pull over that wasn't a no parking zone. I wonder where. I don't know, maybe like right there? What's a turn signal? Turn signal! Flashers aren't turn signals. Well, too oblivious to realize your flashers are on. That also demonstrates that they probably don't do a good job of using their turn signals.
He is barely my assholes.
great parking. Middle of the street. Wrong side of the road, too. Take your time. It's okay. Take your time. How do gears work? So why are you flashing your brights at me? I literally didn't move. It's not my fault you don't know how to drive. Very good. Also very good. Crossing directly into traffic. They're talking on the phone. The old school way. Yep, that's not distracted driving at all. Oh yeah, pack it in. The entire road is full, but sure, keep going forward, cars. Oh, you're lucky. Oh, you're gonna go? You're just gonna pull right in. Hello. Right here. Put the phone away. You have a holder. That's better. That's better. Red light. Well, those don't matter. They're only suggestions. Two, one, yellow, red. Does it say walk? Oh my God. Look. There are no cars parked here. It's almost like the curbs do something. That's a very visible turn signal. Ride the street, coward. Hooray! Hooray! It's all clear! These cones are still standing. Loading zone right here. Look at empty parking spaces, including a loading zone, and yet this guy parks in the middle of the street. There you go. You go there first. Go ahead. Traffic goes this way, fuckface. And looky here. Hey, thanks for blocking the bike lane. Good job.
You're welcome, buddy.
Fuck off. Fuck off. You're making it harder to do that.
12 seconds later.
Hey, look. A UPS driver that's using the space that is designated for them. Incredible. What a concept. Did they park in the bike lane? No. They parked where they're supposed to. Oh, look here. Holy shit. No one's blocking the bike lane. Also, hardly anybody's parked over there anyway. But also, no one's blocking this bike lane. Most likely because there are curbs there. It's almost like they do something.